Welcome to the mix, and on the mix today we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that enough is enough, and we should always make sure that we change the narrative of our stories and approach new things instead of being stuck on one thing forever. Dwayne's approach is that we should try to change what we do on a daily basis, making sure that we're not stuck to this one thing every day. Now, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also comment.
Enough is enough. Time to elevate ourselves and do better. Some people on here, honestly, are forever going to remain stagnant because they never want to elevate themselves. They never want to do different things. They always stick on the same narrative. Maybe because they don't know how to remove themselves from that. You know? Yes, my page at a point. Absolutely, my page at a point. I used to post a lot of drama stuff that's happening across social media. However, I am at peace, Savannah. I am at peace. I am at peace. Thank you, though. I am at peace. Yes, I used to post the dramatic stuff because clearly it's something that you guys gravitated to, right? It came a point where I'm like, listen, enough of this mess. Let me try to use my page to do different things. And I'm so happy I chose to do, I'm so happy I took this step to do different things, because I would have never in a million years meet so many amazing people. Even if the silent people, they don't comment, that's okay. The most important thing is that you people chose to support my page. Even if you come in my life for a minute second, I am very grateful to all of you. Because without you people continuous support, I perhaps would have never reached where I am right now. You know, and I'm very grateful to all of you. I want all of you to know this. I really do. I'm really thankful to all of you who supported me from the inception of this page. Even if I've now taken a whole different route and I'm not getting the kind of audience I used to have, the kind of views, whatever. I don't care. I'm not really here for the views. I'm here to have a good time and to interact with people who's gonna actually mean me well. I don't know if I'm making sense to any of you. However, you have people on social media, because they see that you are going from strength to strength. They feel it is blessings to you too, Lady V. They feel it is okay to want to tarnish you and say all of these wicked things, which, to be quite frank, is not true. None of it is true. But this is how they operate. This is how they operate. They do and say things so people can run with in order to tear other people down. And to be quite frank, these were people I truly had love for in my heart. I really did. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart to see where we've gone to. And I'm very sure it didn't have to go here. However, it's now there. Why can't we all as a collective move on with our lives respectively, because it's the right thing to do? Why do you feel it is okay to want to tear other people down, knowing damn well the things you people are putting out on other people? It's not true. I've seen people on social media, they are like parasites to people's lives. Parasites. And all they're doing this for is in the name of social media money and views. Where did we go wrong? Where did the blogging society go wrong? Where did the social media personalities, where did we go wrong? Why can't we uplift? Again, I'm gonna always say this. Why can't we uplift, even if we don't love each other. We can support each other from a distance. Nothing is wrong with that. However, some of you feels it is okay to want to tear people down in the name of views and social media clout and social media money. I've seen this happen time after time after time. And honestly, it's really sad. It's sad. When will you stop? When will all of this toxic behavior stop? When will all of this toxicity stop? Perhaps I'm speaking too fluent for you. So maybe I should just chat raw Jamaican so some of you can understand what you're doing. It is wrong on all levels. It is wrong. And I'm not speaking just for me. I'm speaking for everyone who people feels it was okay to tear down. Yes, I was a part of it because I felt like I was doing something good. However, I've now realized I was doing not good things, and I've taken the route to change up things. Yes, we can all talk about things on our platform. However, do this in a respectful manner. You don't have to speak negatively about anyone. You don't have to tear down people. You know what I've realized is that actually pisses me off. People feels it is okay to tear down other people's, I wouldn't say credibility, but I would use the word people feels it is okay to want to speak negatively on other people's success or businesses or platforms or whatever the case. Do better. Do better. Some of you people on social media are crosses. Some of you people, this is how you function. Without you going around on people's platforms creating noise, you don't feel good. You don't feel good. And without you speaking negatively about other people, you don't feel good. Without you tearing down other people, you don't feel good. When will you people stop? When will you people stop? A lot of these people are doing good in their own right. Maybe not to the level to where other people are. However, they've worked really hard to get to the point to where they are now. And everyone with a platform have worked tirelessly to get to the level to where they are right now. However, some of you feels it is okay to tear people down. Why? Some of you people, you don't deserve platforms. Some of you people, you don't deserve platforms because you will never change. You will never change. Never. All you do is tear down. What are we getting out of tearing down our brothers and sisters? They will never stop, Savannah. They will never stop because this is how they make their coins. You need to stop. Stop with all of this fake news, fake stories, because this is exactly what it is. Fake news and fake stories you people are putting out on people. And the sad part about it, if some of you people would have done diligent research, it would have been bad, but not so bad. However, when you take to your platforms, all you do is speak negatively of other people.